So, what's your name?
My name is Gunnar Hartvigsen.
And what's your role?
I have many different roles. I'm a professor working both at NST and at the University of Tromsø, so I'm professor in telemedicine and e-health. And I supervise a lot of PhD students, master students, and they are integrated into the team here at NST. So I try to see research possibilities in all kinds of projects, also in 5-star. Can we do some more? Can we put a PhD student or a master student on a topic that we cannot that is not on the list of tasks in the project?
Okay, and what do you think NST's role in 5-star will be?
NST has a lot of competence. We have been working with telemedicine and e-health for 25 years. We have a very important position in the Norwegian healthcare system as enabler of technology, and we do research, and we have been in the forefront of the development of telemedicine. So I think we can contribute a lot among quite many axes, and I'm very certain that the tasks that we are going to do will be completed in a successful way.
Fantastic. And what are you hoping is going to come out of the 5-star project?
Of course, the main goal is to improve the healthcare for people in Europe, and that's something that I really hope that we will achieve, and I'm quite sure that we will take this a step further.